Dear students, welcome to the Economic Studies Circle. Today, I am happy to introduce commerce subjects along with the economics. In this video, we are going to present business study subject for second PUC. Second PUC business study part A. Multiple choice questions. To get more marks, MCQ questions are very important. Let us start 1 marks MCQs. In this video, hot questions also included and marked with red color star. So, please give your 100% concentration. Let us discuss first question. Chapter 1, Nature and Significance of Management. In that, we are going to discuss the MCQ questions. Okay, first question. Which of the following is not a function of management? Option A, planning. Option B, staffing. Option C, cooperating. Option D, controlling. Right answer is option C, cooperating. Next question, second question. The following is not an objective of management. Option A, earning profit. Option B, growth of the organization. Option C, providing employment. Option D, policy. Right answer is option D, policy. Next question, question number 3. Policy formation is the function of option A, top level management. Option B, middle level management. Option C, operational management. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option A, top level management. Next question, question number 4. Successful management ensures that option A, goals are achieved with least cost. Option B, timely achievement of goals. Option C, both of the above. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option C, both of the above. Next question, question number 5. Management as a profession is option A, well defined body of language. Option B, restricted entry. Option C, ethical code of conduct. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. This is the sixth question. This question is hot question. Hot means high order thinking questions. These questions newly added to the question bank. Let us see the question and answer. Sixth question. Hemangi Enterprises Limited is planning to increase its sales by 30% in the next quarter. Identify the feature of management being highlighted in the given statement. Option A, management is all pervasive. Option B, management is goal oriented process. Option C, management is a continuous process. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option B, management is goal oriented process. Next question, seventh question. Coordination is option A, function of management. Option B, the essence of management. Option C, objective of management. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option B, the essence of management. Next question. Question number 8. Dash refers to doing the task correctly and with minimum cost. Option A, effectiveness. Option B, coordination. Option C, process. Option D, efficiency. Right answer is option D, efficiency. Ninth question. Management is considered as option A, art. Option B, science. Option C, both art and science. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option C, both art and science. Next and last question, that is 10th question. This here is the one more hot question in this chapter. Let us see the question. Providing facilities of schools, crashes and hospitals is the dash objective of management? Option A, social objective. Option B, organized objective. Option C, personal objective. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option A, social objective. Thank you for watching. I will come back with new chapters. Please subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you.